Meet the Cisily Black Sponge Holder, your sink's new best friend. Tired of sponges staging a countertop coup? We've got you. This organizer wrangles sponges, brushes, and soap like a pro. Made from Rustproof 304 stainless steel. No more rusty surprises. It's not just tough, it's also sleek and modern. Think of it as the James Bond of kitchen organizers. Multiple compartments keep everything in its designated parking spot. No more soap bottle tip-overs or brush avalanches. Drainage design means your sponges aren't swimming anymore. Goodbye, soggy mess. Hello, dry, happy countertop. Fits comfortably on most sinks. No awkward overhangs. Space-saving design maximizes every inch of counter real estate. Perfect for apartments, tiny kitchens, or countertop Tetris champions. Rustproof means it lasts longer than your favorite sitcom reruns. Stainless steel also means easy cleaning. Just wipe and go. High brush holder keeps long-handled tools upright and ready. No more brushes playing dead at the bottom of the sink. Soap, sponges, and brushes, finally living in harmony. Organized kitchen equals organized life. Science probably agrees. Clutter-free counters make meal prep a breeze. Your kitchen will look so tidy, even your mother-in-law will be impressed. Everyday low prices, your wallet will thank you. Save up to 50%, that's like getting 2 for the price of 1. Free shipping on eligible items, because waiting is so last season. Amazon Prime members get it even faster. Zoom. Designed for home organizers, kitchen users, apartment dwellers. Basically, if you have a sink, you need this. Professional chefs and amateur toast makers both love it. Multiple compartments mean no more utensil wrestling matches. Drainage tray keeps water where it belongs, not on your counters. Compact but mighty, like a kitchen superhero. No installation required, just set it and forget it. Modern metal finish matches any kitchen style. From farmhouse chic to urban minimalist, it fits right in. Holds everything from sponges to soap dispensers. Say goodbye to lost scrubbers and runaway brushes. Perfect for busy households and professional kitchens alike. Keeps everything within arm's reach. No more sink gymnastics. Durable construction means it won't quit before you do. Efficient storage equals less clutter, more calm. Your countertop will finally see the light of day. Organize today, conquer the world tomorrow. Easy to clean, just a quick rinse and you're done. No more mystery smells from forgotten sponges. Great for homes, restaurants, and even office kitchens. A must-have for anyone who loves a tidy space. Makes a perfect gift for neat freaks and kitchen newbies. Upgrade your kitchen game without breaking the bank. Stainless steel, because plastic is so last decade. No more rust stains, just sparkling organization. Multi-compartment design keeps cleaning tools separated. No more soap and sponge sharing germs. Drainage system keeps everything dry and ready to use. Set it by the sink and watch the magic happen. Finally, a place for everything and everything in its place. Even your sponges will thank you for their new home. Sleek design means it looks good even when empty. Fits most sinks, no measuring tape required. No tools, no fuss, just instant organization. Perfect for renters. Take it with you when you move. Rust-proof steel means it's built to last. No more soggy sponges or slippery soap bars. Transform your sink from chaos to calm. Easy access to all your cleaning essentials. Stop the countertop clutter before it starts. Your kitchen deserves this level of organization. Join thousands of happy, organized customers. Order now and reclaim your countertop today. Cisily Black Sponge Holder. Small product, big impact. Make your sink smile. Get organized with Cisily. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.